is not promoting the same old faceless slideshow videos anymore. If you want to grow today, you need to get creative. Viewers expect something more engaging, better visuals, smooth editing, and even animation. The problem is, 3D animation traditionally takes a lot of money, time, and skill. Hiring a studio or learning complicated software like Blender can be overwhelming. But with the rise of AI, creating professional 3D-style documentary animations is now possible without spending months or thousands of dollars. Today, I'll break down exactly how to make these kinds of videos step by step so you can build your own channel around them. Before we move into the tutorial, let's look at why this niche works. Take channels like Fern, Meld, Astrium, Zufree, and others doing AI-enhanced visual storytelling. They combine solid narration with visually striking AI-made 3D scenes, and their videos easily hit millions of views. With that type of reach, even a channel with a few viral videos can pull in thousands of dollars per month from AdSense alone, not counting sponsorships. This proves that the model works if you put in the effort to learn the workflow. Now let's break down how you can replicate it. Step 1. Decide the topic and plan the video. Every video starts with the idea. Your topic is the hook that pulls people in. With documentary-style videos, you want to focus on areas where curiosity drives clicks. Think about categories like history, science, psychology, space, mysteries, or even true events. Pick one lane and build around it. YouTube favors consistent niches, so don't jump from ancient Egypt one week to football highlights the next. If you want your channel to grow, stay in a category so the algorithm knows who to recommend you to. Once you've picked a niche, you need to think about packaging. Title and thumbnail are more important than the video itself when it comes to getting that first click. Keep your title under 60 characters and add curiosity-driven words. Instead of just saying, "The history of pyramids," write, "The strange secret behind the Great Pyramids." Notice how it hints at something hidden. It makes people want to click. For thumbnails, simplicity is key. Use 2 to 3 elements only. A single bold image, maybe a pyramid glowing with mysterious light, plus big, bold text like secret. That's enough. Don't overcrowd it. Create a basic content calendar. Plan out 10 to 15 video ideas in advance so you don't get stuck later. Write down the title and thumbnail idea for each. This will help you stay consistent instead of scrambling each week. Step 2. Write the script with AI, but improve with a human touch. Your script is the backbone of your video. Without a good script, no amount of visuals will save it. Start by using tools like ChatGPT or Gemini for research. The trick is in your prompt. Don't just say, "Write me a script about pyramids." Instead, structure it like this. Write a 2,000-word documentary-style YouTube script about the secret engineering of the Great Pyramids. Use a storytelling tone, add surprising facts, and break it into clear sections. Once you get the draft, don't just copy-paste. Read through it and fix anything that sounds robotic or too generic. Add emotional beats. Lines like, "Imagine standing in front of a structure that's older than every modern nation on Earth." Vary the pacing. Short, punchy sentences keep attention. Also, fact check. AI sometimes makes errors, and if viewers catch them, your credibility takes a hit. Spend at least 30 minutes editing the script into something you'd actually enjoy listening to. Step 3. Generate the voiceover with 11 Labs. Now you need a voice to bring the script alive. 11 Labs is currently the best tool for this. It creates voices that sound nearly human. Create an account, paste in your script, and choose a voice style. For documentaries, deeper and calmer voices tend to work best. You can also adjust clarity, tone, and pacing. Here's a tip. Don't generate the whole script at once. Break it into sections of 3 to 4 paragraphs. This way, if there's a mistake in pronunciation, you don't have to regenerate the entire thing. Once you have your clips, stitch them together in an editor like Audacity or directly in CapCut. Adjust volume so it's consistent throughout. Cut out long pauses, but don't make it robotic. Natural breathing space matters. If 11 Labs is too expensive for you at the start, free options exist. Sites like TTS Maker, Google AI Studio, and Natural Readers give you solid quality. The trade-off is they sound slightly more robotic, but with good editing, you can still make it work. The key is clarity and pacing. A strong voiceover keeps viewers hooked.
Step 4. Create 3D-style images with AI. This is the most important part, the visuals. You need cinematic 3D-style images that bring your script to life. If you're using ChatGPT with image generation, you can directly create these visuals by giving detailed prompts. For example, ultra-realistic cinematic 3D render, wide-angle shot of ancient pyramids glowing under moonlight, dramatic lighting, hyper-detailed, 16 by 9. For every scene in your script, generate 1 to 2 images. If your script says, ancient Egyptian workers pulling massive stone blocks with ropes through desert sand, you could prompt 3D cinematic render of ancient Egyptian workers pulling massive stone blocks with ropes through desert sand, realistic lighting, wide shot, hyper-detailed, 16 by 9. The key is consistency. Use the same aspect ratio, 16 by 9 for YouTube, and keep your styles similar across all prompts so your video looks professional. If you don't have access to ChatGPT's image generation, you can still do the same with other platforms like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, or Ideogram. In fact, there are free and open source options such as QN, Flux, etc., which let you create cinematic renders without paid tools, though they require a bit more setup. No matter which tool you choose, the process is the same. Detailed cinematic prompts plus consistent style equals professional visuals. Step 5. Optional. Turn images into video clips. Static images can work, but if you want to take things further, you can turn those images into moving video clips. Tools like Kling and Veo 3 or any other open source option can animate still images into smooth, short videos. For example, your still image of pyramids can turn into a slow panning shot across the desert, or your image of space can zoom in slowly like a movie. Keep animations subtle. Don't overdo it or it'll look fake. If you're on a budget or don't want to use Kling, you can fake the same effect in CapCut by using keyframe zooms and pans. Step 6. Editing everything together in CapCut. Editing is where all the pieces come together. CapCut is beginner-friendly and powerful enough to handle everything. Start by creating a new project and dropping your voiceover on the timeline. Then bring in your AI-generated images or video clips. Place them in sync with the narration. If your script says, the pyramid rose high above the sands, show the wide-angle pyramid shot right at that moment. Add subtle zooms to images using keyframes. This gives life to static pictures. Use overlays for extra detail. For example, add dust particles, flickering fire, or glowing lights to make scenes more immersive. CapCut has built-in effects for this. Don't forget text overlays. When the narration says something shocking like, "This secret has baffled scientists for centuries," put those words on screen in bold cinematic font. It reinforces the moment. You can also add map graphics, arrows, or simple objects to make explanations clear. Background music is crucial. Choose royalty-free tracks that fit the mood. Dark, mysterious tones for history, dramatic orchestral for epic events. Keep the music low under the voice, but let it rise during transitions or climaxes. Add sound effects too. Wind blowing, footsteps, machinery, small details that immerse viewers. At the end, export your video in 1080p or 4K if possible. Higher resolution makes your work look professional and stand out. Step 7. Uploading and optimizing on YouTube. Your video is ready, but uploading it correctly matters. Start with the title. Use curiosity and clarity. For example, the hidden technology of the pyramids no one can explain. It's mysterious, but not clickbait. Your description should summarize the video in the first 2 lines and naturally include keywords. Add 5 to 10 hashtags related to your niche. Tags don't matter as much as before, but add a few long-tail keywords anyway. More important is your thumbnail. Upload the custom one you designed earlier. Playlists help too. Organize your videos into themes like ancient mysteries or unsolved history. Finally, schedule your video. Consistency matters more than time of day. Whether you upload twice a week or once every 10 days, stick to it. YouTube rewards steady output. The opportunity is huge. Channels doing this right now are blowing up and making serious money. Lastly, make sure you don't copy other people's stuff and try to make something unique with the same process to differentiate. And now, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You can also watch this video to explore more.